Hi everyone, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am here at our chicken coop, and it's another hot day here in the jungle. And look at our chicken. So that chicken that is sick, she's getting better now, and she's been walking around here. We turned her loose finally because she's better. And yesterday it's been raining about 15 minutes yesterday morning. It's good that the ground wet, and also it helps for all the plants and trees. And look at the chicken here. It's been walking around, so it's almost 12 in the afternoon. And look at the chicks here. Look at the chicks here. They're getting bigger. So they're getting bigger now, guys. Look at that. So I think it's 25 chicken here already. So some of them in the brooding box, they're getting bigger. So we're gonna transfer maybe next week. So that solar panel that we bought, the new one, it working good, and it's so bright last night here. The color of this one is so nice, as you can see. It's very nice color. I don't know what that kind of chicken, I forgot what is the name of that. And as you can see, they've been laying here. So the other chicken, they're just walking around outside. This door here, it's yesterday afternoon, my husband forgot to put this one here to lock. So the chicken is just like that. Then all the chicks, they keep pushing the door. Then it's they're almost open it and go out. I think they really want to go out, explore the outside. I mean, explore they want to go with the other chicken also. So this one here, it's a big space, but maybe they want to go out. It's just so funny that they are very strong but to push this door yesterday. So it's good thing that I am here that time. So it's really hot today. As you can see, skies are so blue. And here we have some kangkong. This is vegetables that my friend Bastion been chopping. The chicken loves this kangkong. And look at that. They're getting fatter. Look at that. So it's good thing that they have another variety of foods that they can eat. Especially this is very healthy, this vegetable here. Look at that. I think wala diri ang katong may kuan day no, itong naayo na. Itong manok nga naayo ba? Wala man straw. Ay, murag kaning ni batog ay. Yeah, I think this hen here is the one, it's been sick the other day. She can't even stand. And I'm glad that she's getting better now. She's been hanging with the other chickens. She's been hung out with the other chicken. And this big bad boy there. It's really nice. They have clean water here. So we'll see you guys again later, so stay tuned for now. So it's already 5:30 in the afternoon and we're on the way to Seaside, Bulwangan, because it's my father's birthday today, so we're gonna have some dinner there in Seaside restaurant. It's just 15 minutes from our place, right, baby?
About 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
Be quicker than that. Didn't have to turn road.
So we're gonna have some dinner there. It's not really far from our place, just this road, it takes us long time.
Yeah.
Rough road. If we live near in the highway, it takes only about 10 minutes.
Once you get the highway, it's only about 5 minutes.
Yeah. It's 5:30, but still have some sunshine.
Won't be long.
So it's another hot day today. How many degrees, baby, did you check?
95.
95 degrees? Wow, 95.
That was at 4 o'clock. So it might have been 100.
It's really hot today.
You can tell it's hot. Look how hazy.
Yeah.
That's not clouds you're looking at. That's haze.
Really? So you can see that the skies are so clear and blue. Sugar cane on this side here, it's still okay. It's not turning brown. It's also some of the leaf is been turning some life because it's been raining. Is it yesterday, baby?
Yeah. What worries me, I want you to look at that big tree that we like so much.
Yeah, the acacia tree.
Yeah.
That's not the one we like, the other one, the other side.
Oh, okay.
The other side. Yeah, it's turning brown too, right?
Yeah.
The acacia tree.
Yeah.
That, as you can see, the tree there, it's been turning brown. The leaf is turning brown.
Darwin ay.
Eskwelahan din, no?
Si Ruin.
Oo.
Si
Ano dili? Tuluray. Na-eskwelahan din.
So, I'll see you guys when we arrive there. So, stay tuned. So, we arrive here at the Seaside, the restaurant. Oh, it's low tide. Low tide, guys. Look at that. Virgil and Pia is getting some seashells there. They're getting some clams. They're enjoying picking there in that low tide. Look at that. Nice afternoon. I'm doing video. So lots of people also there. The kids. That's for their dinner. They get some seashells for their dinner. Some seafoods. So that be very fresh. That's my father, the birthday celebrant. Nilson. Ina.
George Ako. George Ako.
Clem Cadoodle.
George Ako.
Ha?
Clem Cadoodle.
What?
That's his name, Clem Cadoodle.
Claim to dako daw pa imong pangalan imong spit.
G-E.
You get some?
G-E. Ako. Ako nga. G-E-O.
So nice. So my father not want him to sing a happy birthday because he's shy. Hindi gonna sing here. So Virgil and Pia is enjoying. That's the floating cottage over there. There's some people in that side over there. Many of them. So we're waiting for our foods. Nice afternoon. Have a little breeze here. Relaxing, very relaxing. So my husband is playing games. Huh? So here's our foods. This is the scallop. And we have this squid. I have that black ink. That's my favorite. And chicken. Grilled chicken. Some rice. And there's more here. Chicken. Pang piya ning usado. Dapat din silang kuan burger. Kuha rin para sa sauce palihog pa oh.
Yeah, give me a spoon.
No spoon. It's good because they sterilize the spoon and fork.
Well, some people pick her up.
Yeah. We have calamaris here. And we're waiting for our soup, the fish soup, fish tinola, and sinigang shrimp, the shrimp soup. Kaon mo pa? Wala pang kuan, tinola? Wala pa, padulong na. Naikuan la o nokos la. Guys, lula dong. O plato pa yung So there's more coming. Imuha man na. Mao na ang tinola, isda. Tell Virgil, Daddy, to come here, please. Daddy, tell Virgil to come here. Come here now. Let's eat. So this is our fish tinola. Nakaw kanon la. So yung usa di ay. Muha ni pa oh. Oh, muha ning manok usa.
Mama de.
Manok la. Wapay sinigang gi kuan pa. We have squid here. Isda na pagwari la. Nukos. Init raw ay. Init oh. Hinay ka init. So let's eat, guys. My husband got some lechon kawali. That is fried pork. Like lechon. So let's eat. Let's eat, guys. What you got? Let me see. This is what they got, Virgil.
Tupos gede ay.
There's a starfish inside. They get some.
Boss, tukol lang tupos boss.
Lumiyagan.
Di, tutong nayo ba?
They get some octopus. Virgil got some octopus,
But
Daddy.
their little tentacles, we try to pull it, but it's so sticky, ba? It just do that.
You sit down, Nadir. You sit down.
Tamayak, muna no?
Salamat. So that's our shrimp soup.
I need to wash my hands.
Yan, ihatas pag mama na.
Thank you. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat.
Hello.
Ya, butang itong lula dong. Hatag itong lula dong. And look at the moon, guys. As you can see. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that. That's the moon. Full moon. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that. Wow, it's so really nice. It's first time I seen that like that, baby.
Moonrise?
Yeah, it's first time I seen that moonrise. Wow, it's so pretty.
Their moonrise over Cebu.
Wow, it's so pretty, guys. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And the color is so beautiful. So,
Camera don't do it
yeah.
justice.
Yeah, so I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you for the love and support. So I'll see you again on my next video. So God bless us all for now. So stay tuned and God bless us all. Thank you for watching.